Right, the preparation is very critical for this process of brazing. Both pieces of material must be absolutely scrupulously clean, free from grease, dust, oil, water, any contaminants, and especially what we call a product called mill scale. It's a product that's produced in the actual quenching process of mild steel. It is a product that's there. It does protect from rust quite substantially, but it is a hindrance in the actual welding process, and it must be removed. If you do not remove the mill scale adequately, the actual brazing process will not adhere correctly, and you will have a weak joint. The correct technique, ladies and gents, obviously securing to the vise. Correct technique of the file and the file use, so you are connected to the file in 2 points of contact at all times. Make sure you don't rapid file, cross feed or drag file. Filing in a downwards direction. Remember, when you are filing, ladies and gents, we have clamped our work so we can undo and we can move our job around and continue filing to produce our nice clean piece of material. We're looking for a nice shiny finish, okay, free from that mill scale or that black material on there. We only need to remove enough material that will actually suffice where the actual braze is going to be maintained or going to be achieved. Do not rush this part, ladies and gents. When we're achieved, we should have a nice, shiny result. We've just completed the main part of the actual brazing preparation there, ladies and gents, with our solid bar. We're now going to produce our actual outer casing, or our piece we're going to weld to it. It's a piece of pipe. Same rules as before, make sure we get rid of our mill scale, but the main point is here, maybe we've previously cut this, it's got a little bit of rusting on the surface, we need to remove that. So basically, same technique again, ladies and gents, with our correct stance with our file. We're just going to file off the top surface to make sure it's free from grease or any chemicals, nicely presented, ready for our next process in the actual brazing. All right, ladies and gents, now we've got our two prep pieces there. There is no real need to actually file the inside of our job. Please do not use your fingers. It is very sharp. You will suffer laceration or a cut. Please be very careful with that. As I said, there is no need to file the inside because we are going to swage these two together with the use of a hammer. So very gently placing the two bits together, getting our hammer with the correct technique, and just very lightly tapping our two pieces home. That is now the preset position, ready for brazing.